Rhyming focuses on identifying the ending sounds in words. This game helps kids focus on hearing rhymes by sound, rather than spelling, which they may not be ready for yet. This two-player Rhyming Leaves game can be played two ways. The green spring tree leaves focus on identifying rhymes by sound. Each player picks up a leaf and says the word at the same time.
Snake.
If the two words are snake
Bug.
and bug, your child won't hear a rhyme, so the leaves are placed back down. If the two words are snake and cake, it's a rhyme. Successful rhyme pairs get to be placed on the tree. The orange autumn tree leaves focus on coming up with rhymes. In this case, players take turns picking leaves off of the tree and coming up with a word that rhymes with the image on the leaf. For example,
Rose.
could prompt the player to say,
Mouse.
if your child can't think of one, that's okay. Put it back on the tree and try another. Also, make-believe words are acceptable.